Watch this video to learn the answer to the million-dollar question. What can you do to save money on your 2014 taxes?
Welcome to this episode of Accounting and Tax Tips. Smart strategies for small business success with certified public accountant Tina Moe.
Every year I get this question multiple times, and it's a great question with ever-changing answers from one year to the next. Joan from Indianapolis emailed her question to me and asks, what can I do to save myself taxes for the 2014 filing year? Here are a few ideas to help you do just that. First, make sure you're maximizing all of your pre-tax opportunities offered by your employer. These include contributions to tax-deferred retirement plans like 401ks, SEP IRAs, simple IRAs, and a host of other types of retirement plans. Setting aside money tax-free is great, but saving for retirement is just icing on the cake. I also recommend maximizing your contributions to your HSA plans or flex plans, which allow you to pay for out-of-pocket qualifying medical expenses with pre-tax earnings. This is a great tax saver because it also allows you to save both income and Social Security tax on the money, which is like saving 20 to 30% or more compared with spending after-tax money on your medical expenses. This strategy is not only a great way to save taxes, but also helps reduce the cost of your medical care. Double bonus. For those of you with children, be sure to take advantage if your employer offers dependent care benefits, which allows you to set aside up to $5,000 to be used for dependent care expenses. The care must be for children aged 12 or younger or for disabled children of any age. If you're married filing separate, your maximum pre-tax benefit drops to $2,500. Also, this only covers dependent daycare expenses necessary while you and your spouse, if married, are working or attending school on a full-time basis. Also, be sure to keep receipts and track any job hunting expenses, such as meals, lodging, or transportation if you were searching away from home and in the same line of work, unless this is your first job. These costs are considered miscellaneous expenses and become deductible after they exceed 2% of your adjusted gross income and only if you itemize. And in keeping with the job hunting expenses, be sure to track the cost of moving to a new job if it's at least 50 miles farther from your home than your old job was. But this expense can be deducted even if you don't itemize, but not if you were reimbursed for the move. However, if your employer paid you a moving bonus and you paid taxes on that bonus, you can still deduct your qualified moving expenses. If you have access to a state-sponsored 529 college savings plan, you can earn money on your investment tax-free, and in the state of Indiana, you can receive up to 20% refundable tax credit of up to $1,000 a year. Encourage your working child to contribute to that same plan, and they too can qualify for up to $1,000 tax credit per year. Free money is hard to pass up when you have or expect to incur post-secondary education expenses. Keep track of your donations throughout the year and be sure to obtain a receipt for any one donation exceeding $250. Also, you'll want to be sure your receipt specifies that you didn't receive any goods or services in exchange for your donation. Be sure to keep a list of your non-cash donations and get a receipt. Those donations can really add up fast and help you reduce your taxable income or help you get over the hump between taking the standard deduction or itemizing. Keep in mind the IRS requires a detailed listing of what you donated, and be sure to use the valuations provided by the IRS. There are many tax saving strategies available to help you reduce your tax burden, and this video just barely scratches the surface of ideas. Maybe you're a student or a young family, or you're retired. Wherever you are in life, I recommend that you speak with a tax professional to learn more about the options available to you. If you have a tax question, please submit it to tina@actservices-inc.com and I'll make it a topic of a future show. For more information on this and other tax topics, visit my website at www.actservices-inc.com.
Thank you for watching this episode of Accounting and Tax Tips with Tina Moe. For more great information, visit Tina's website at www.actservices-inc.com. Also browse the other shows found right here at Indie Biz TV Shows.